Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Krunker. EO. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Krunker EO website. Once the page loads, look for the Login or Sign In button, typically positioned in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this button will take you to the next step, where you can enter your account details. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now you'll see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. Carefully type your registered username into the first box. Then, enter your password into the second box. It's crucial to ensure both entries are completely accurate to avoid any login issues. A small mistake can prevent access, so take a moment to review what you've typed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted for an additional code. This code is usually sent to your email or mobile device, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Enter this 6-digit code to complete the login. If you prefer, you can also choose to play as a guest, which allows immediate access without account credentials. Once your credentials are verified, you will be seamlessly directed to the Krunker EO main lobby. Here, your personalized profile, including all your progress and customizations, will be loaded and ready. You are now fully logged in and prepared to jump into the action. Select a game mode, join a server, and enjoy playing Krunker EO with your friends or other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.